We worked together now for 4 years. We really like to work with repetition. What we did, we created like a scenography for this space and for this event.
The scenography is based on the structure of the building. This idea came alive to change this club setting into a live performance.
And this is the first time and probably the only time we will do this performance in this way. So it's completely custom, only made for this event. We're so used to listening to two-speaker setups that when you place speakers everywhere in the space and combine them with light, your whole perception changes. And when you combine that with a lighting scenography, lighting and sound becoming one.
I noticed that people were a bit confused at first. We didn't exactly know how it was going to be, but it worked out really well. People were enjoying it.
And they actually loved it.